Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to talk about face sprays or mists you might have seen in my Instagram video. If you have not, go and check it out right now. So starting on with the first one is the Kaya Purifying Toner. So using a toner is really important for your skin. I know most of us do not consider it as an important step, but I must tell you that if you have open pores or you feel a lot of dryness after just washing your face, so just go ahead with the toner. So this one is the Kaya Purifying Toner. It's mainly for the acne prone skin. So it is with the mandelic acid and it's for oily and combination skin both. So what it says for the directions is moisten the cotton pad with toner, or you can directly spray it on your face. That's what I do. And do not rinse it. Like, I'll show you how the texture. It comes with a spray bottle over here, and I'll show in my hand. See, it's like a watery texture. So what it does is it closes your pores, or it appears, they appear like smaller. So the moisturizer will actually, it makes your skin instantly hydrated, as you can see, and then provides a great base for the moisturizer to be applied. Moving on with the next one is the Earth Rhythm Green Water. It's a green tea water actually. Have a look. So this is a healing toner. It's also for oily and acne prone skin. It comes in a glass bottle that looks very organic and sustainable. It comes with a spray in a similar texture that I showed you earlier. It has a green tea fragrance as well. So this will also help you clog your pores and does not make your skin feel like dry just after washing your face. The other one is a rose water spray. So this is a rose water toner. You also get many toners in the market that are pink in color, but I would suggest that to check the originality of a rose water, it should be like transparent in color. You can see. This is from the brand called The Natural Wash. I found them on Instagram, but now they have a website as well. It says for all skin types. It's a facial toner, mist, and also acts as a makeup remover. So it's a 3-in-1 product. So the directions to use as mentioned behind it is just spray it on your face as a toner or a makeup remover or a base for all the face packs. So the Natural Wash also has many natural products like face masks or cleansers. In that you need to add in either water or rose water. So this can also add as a base for those packs. Also, it can be also sprayed directly. As you can see, it's also water based since it's actually distilled rose water. So this can be applied for both men and women. If you are like sweating and if you do not want to wash your face in the evening after working out, you can just spray it on your face and you will feel hydrated. Also, you can spray it on a makeup removal pad or a cotton pad and just swipe and remove your makeup. It's very handy for your summer days. You can just put it in your bag and take a smaller size for this and just go ahead with spraying on your face whenever you feel hot. The fourth one is a makeup fixer. It is from Colorbar. It is a kind of a finishing mist. So this is mainly used for makeup fixing. Whenever you do your makeup, you need to fix something so that it stays on its place. We all need to wear masks right now. So for that also, it's really important to fix your makeup so that it doesn't get transfers on your mask. So this can also be used before you start your makeup as a primer so that it instantly moisturizes your skin and gives it a plump look. So the directions for use are: hold the bottle 10 to 12 feet, I think so, from face, not feet, a little distance. This much is fine, that the spray reaches your face. And you need to close your eyes, just protect your eye makeup just like this, and then spray. Do not spray on your eye makeup because that might get spoiled. So yeah, it will help you make your makeup stay longer and keep it intact even on the summery days when you go out. I hope you liked my video. I'll put up a serum video soon as well. And yeah, please comment below if you have any suggestions or if you want to know reviews of any other toners. Thank you. Bye.